Welcome big gang. Today I'm going to show you how you can do your own twist ends at home with just two products. So stay tuned because it's going to be a very easy tutorial. So for starters, I had already washed my hair. My hair is clean hair. I just really detangled it and just put them in twist because I didn't feel like detangling all over again. So I'm just going to hold the larger twist at the front because I want to start with the back section first. Then yeah, we'll just see how it goes. So here I'm just unraveling the first portion of my hair, and I'm sorry, I have kind of a cold, so I'm just going to finger detangle it first before I go to the next step. This step that is following is really the most important step in this tutorial because you don't want to miss it. Yeah. Next step is always water. I kid you not, water is the most important thing when it comes to doing your own twists. This is because you need to do your twist when it's in wet to damp hair, but I prefer using damp hair because, you know, it will just make sense as we continue. So for me, I'm not using actual water. I'm using clove water because I prefer using clove water for my scalp and my hair in general because it really helps in hair breakage and preventing the dandruff in my hair. But you can just use water. To be very honest, just use water. You don't need to be complicated when it comes to your twist. So just finger detangle it throughout because I don't. Okay, you just have to finger detangle before you go in with your comb. This is the best way to prevent a lot of breakage when you're combing your hair. So you can just see me really going in through my hair, making sure like all the strands are coated with it, and yeah. I turn back so that you can see what I'm doing at the back. I hope this will be of great help. So once I'm done, I will of course partition the hair to how I want it. You can really just freestyle. This is not a mandatory step. Just freestyle on however you want your parts to look like. That's up to you. I was to do a very freestyle thing, but then it will take me time, so I just chose to follow the square rectangle pattern. That's what I chose to do. So I'm parting my hair here, and you'll see me using a mirror and my phone to check if the partitions are straight because yeah. Please excuse my dirty mirror. That's why we're not here for the mirror. We're here for the tutorial, please. So excuse me. So I'm just going to make sure the parts are okay, really. I normally guess on normal occasions you'll not see me using a mirror and my phone to check because I never really care about the partitions. But for today, because I want the tutorial to look cute, that's what I'm going to do. So I'm just going to confirm and confirm and confirm until I feel it's okay. Now my girls, this is what you need for your twist to come out more. Just use any leave-in conditioner treatment, whatever you have for your hair really. Just use that. So long as it's a cream-based thing, you can use that. You can use butters and whatever, but for me, since I'm just going to lay my tutorials on the most affordable thing someone can reach to or reach out to, yeah, you don't really need to use gel or whatever. I hate gel on my hair, to be very honest, especially on my scalp. That's why I chose to show you guys this method because for me it works so well and you're going to see. So now I'm going to massage it in my hair and then I'm going to partition it. So guys, I'm using my selfie camera to film this, so it might look like I'm starting from my left, but actually it's on my right hand. Excuse my mirror. I can't explain, I can't defend myself, but yeah, the main thing here is the tutorial. So I'm just checking whether the parts are okay, and I really don't give a damn about the parts because really it's not like I'm going anywhere. So but the tutorial has to look cute, so it will be cute. So here is where you listen to me very carefully. So you're going to start your twist as if you're starting a braid. So it's a 3 partition thing first, then you can continue with your braid. Yeah. So basically that's it, to be honest. Here I'm just checking whether I was showing you guys correctly. So you first of all begin as a 3-strand braid or twist, however you want to call it. So do it until you feel as if your partition is tight enough. Then you can go ahead and combine the pieces together. So for me, I went in several times, then I joined the partitions together. So I'm going to do a very slow mo detailed thing in the next few seconds or minutes or whatever. So the technique I'm using here is twist and roll. I twist the partitions, each partition on my fingers, on my fingertips, then I overlap it, like basically, as I don't know whether you guys can see it well, but you can see what I'm saying. I twist it on my fingers, then I roll it, then I now overlap it. So basically that's the simplest way I can explain it to you. But if you feel like you haven't understood it well, just chill, be patient a bit. I'm going to show you guys well in the next few seconds. Oh my god, yeah, I'm going to show you. So basically, for now, just get the technique: twist and roll, then overlap, twist, roll, then overlap. So just now, just chill. I'm going to show you. So now I'm done with the back part. So the part you're waiting for now is what is coming next. So I finished the back part of my hair. Now I'm at the front. I'm just going to use the same technique that I used. I hydrated my hair, moisturized it with the leave-in, then basically we'll start doing the twists. So yeah, my thing was disturbing me, but whatever, so long as it's being done. So listen and look at the tutorial well. Start with a braid out. This ensures that the thing is tight on your scalp. Once you have done the braid out until you feel it's tight enough, that's when you can join. You can see I'm going to slow it down for you guys. You roll, twist and roll, twist and roll, twist and roll, twist and roll. There is a slow mo, you guys. It's so simple. So long as you get the technique of twisting it on your fingers, on your fingertips, then rolling it as you overlap, that's how you ensure that your twist is actually tight enough and it won't unravel later. So twist, roll, twist and roll, twist and roll until you get the gist. Like for me, it wasn't like that easy for me to learn, but since I got used to it, it's becoming a bit faster for me to do my hair. I can do my hair in under 1 hour. So yeah, twist, roll, twist, roll, twist, roll until you feel like your thing is tight enough. And yeah, imagine you're good to go. Then after you're done, just curl it at the end and look at how beautiful it looks. So here is a part with a bigger partition. Maybe that was small enough for you to see. Just do a braid, do it until you feel as if it's tight. If it's tight now, you can twist, roll, twist, roll, twist, roll. I am so repetitive, but I want you guys to get it. The technique here is to twist and roll, then overlap. Imagine that's all, you guys. It's not even that complicated. That's it for this whole tutorial. So long as you get the gist, you'll even be able to do the middle part of it. And I'm sure the middle part is where most of the people get disturbed because you cannot even see what you're doing. But it takes practice and you guys have to be patient. You cannot do this overnight. Me, I learned in a month. Yeah. So guys, this is the final outcome. You can see how beautiful they look. They look juicy and they're not stiff. That's the beauty of this all. So after I'm done like plating, I normally just oil my scalp and I'll be good to go. So just use any oil that you have, really. Yeah, so I just oil my scalp, then I'll be good to go. I massage it in well, and yeah, really there's not much to it, but the oil is just to seal the moisture on the scalp and on my hair also. So yeah. So guys, here's the final look. You can style it however you want. For me, I'm just going to tie it with a hair tie because I don't feel like I want it to disturb me because I'm going to do other stuff definitely. So I'm just going to tie it back, and yeah, let me just. So guys, as I was saying, that's all you need to do with your twist, or your twist out here. Not a twist out, this is a twist, yeah. So necessarily you don't need gel. To be quite honest with you guys, I hate using gel, so I prefer using this method. It works either way, and you can see the outcome for yourself, guys. It looks good. Like, let me remove one strand. Look at how beautiful it looks, juicy, and that's all you need for your twists, to be very honest. Or if you don't even have any type of leave-in, just use damp hair. Honestly speaking, you'll get the same result. So that's all for this video. I hope you liked it. I hope you learned how to do your twist. I hope I explained it to you well. So until next time, you can just tell me what you need to know about hair in the comment sections. I'll be free to do a video for you all. So bye, and subscribe. So bye.